Hi guys, my name is Lucas and welcome to this free mini training series in which I'm gonna show you how the PPMS method really works, and I'm gonna teach you how to apply it to your sales funnel you are going to build in Kartra very easily and very smartly. Why you should watch this mini training series? Well, there are many tutorials out there that explain how Kartra works and how everything works actually in the platform. But the truth is they are teaching you how to build things separately. They're not giving you a framework or a clear pathway on how to create your funnel, which is what you're gonna do in Kartra. So the point of creating this mini training series is to show you a guideline and methodology which I personally created, that so that you can apply it whenever you want to create anything in Kartra. So let's hop into the slide and find out what this PPMS method is about. So Kartra is a Swiss knife. It does everything from lead capturing, page building, sequence building, membership, selling your products. But the truth is, so much power can really overwhelm you. Like, it's so many things that you can do, so many features out there. You don't know where to start, you feel lost, and if you don't have a clear methodology, you will struggle a lot to keep your funnel going. So the key of building funnels smartly and quickly is knowing what are assets, knowing what assets you need to build, and then apply the PPMS method. And I'm going to explain to you how it works in the next few slides. So what are assets in Kartra? Well, pages, products, membership, sequences, forms, tags, automations, which are if-then rules, calendars, help desk, video, broadcasts that are standalone emails. Those are assets in Kartra, and you might be familiar with them, with these assets, with this terminology, because these are common elements that compose sales funnels in general. If you take a look to the rectangle to the right, you will find my product, my communication, my page, my form. These are actual sections or apps within the Kartra platform. When you log into your Kartra platform, which you don't need to download anything, by the way, you can access it right over going to kartra.com or opening your account using my affiliate link if you want. You will realize that these sections are actually what build your assets. So if you take a look here, pages are built under my pages section. Products are built under my products section. Membership sites are built under my memberships section, which is pretty obvious, right? I mean, the name is indicating, the section is indicating what kind of assets are built over there. But if you take a look to sequences, tags, automations, for instance, and broadcasts are built under my communication. But don't worry too much about it, because in the following videos of this mini training series, you will know how everything works perfectly well. So now what is important is to understand how your funnel is structured. So how many pages your funnel will contain, what are you selling, what products are you selling, do you provide access to a learning platform or to a membership, when and why do you send email, these are the sequences, where do leads fill their information, those are the forms, and are you going to allow your leads schedule your calls, calendars. So the tip here is to create a visual of your funnel to see how your leads travel through the pages, email sequences, product, automation, and membership. By creating a visual, I mean draw your funnel in a sheet of paper, or use Funnelytics, which is a tool I'm going to show you right away, or use a whiteboard, for instance, to know how your system is going to work. This will help you understand what kind of assets you need to build. So the different elements that compose your funnel, or any sales funnel in general, are actually called assets in Kartra. And you have already realized that, because we were talking about pages, video, products, membership, email sequences. Those are assets in Kartra. So in this slide, you are seeing the funnel that I'm going to be building with you in this mini training series. When you know how your system works, you know what assets you need to build, and you realize how to build it by following the PPMS method, which, if you haven't realized already, PPMS method stands for pages, products, membership, and sequences in that order. So it's pretty easily to build any funnel when you know that you first need to create the pages, then the product, finally the membership and the sequences. So let's take a look at this fictional but functional funnel that I propose you to build along with me. So in this case, we are selling a 6-week program for $1,500, which will contain a one-time offer of 2 premium weeks priced at $200. So we will be getting traffic from multiple sources, social media posts, a podcast, Facebook ad, for instance. So the leads will arrive to this opt-in page in which they will fill their details, which is their name and their email, in an opt-in form that we will have embedded in this page. Then they will be driven to the PDF download. Of course, this opt-in page will invite them to download a free case study. And in the PDF download, they will have a download now button that will lead to the PDF download. Of course, this is not a product, by the way, but in the pages video, which is the next video, you will understand how this works. Once the leads fill this opt-in form, they will be subscribed automatically to the opt-in sequence. The opt-in sequence eventually will contain links to the core sales page, which is going to be a video sales page. We will have a video over here and text, which will contain the sales page. Eventually, you will include a call to action button, which is a buy now, that will lead your leads to a checkout page, which contains a checkout form in which they punch in their credit card details. What happens if your leads start filling out this checkout form but do not complete it? Well, they will get the tag abandonment card, which is a tag that gonna be applied to those leads who start filling this form but do not complete the order, and that will subscribe them automatically to a cart abandonment sequence, which will drive them back through a link to the checkout page so that they eventually complete the checkout form and they finish their order. Once they buy the product, which is the 6-week course, they will receive automatically the buyer tags, and they will be unsubscribed from the opt-in sequence and the cart abandonment sequence at the same time. We want to do this in order to avoid email overlapping, because if they keep on getting these emails, they will get too many communications from us, and it will make us look like spammers. Once the order is processed and confirmed by the payment gateway you choose, which can be Stripe, Braintree, Authorized.net, or PayPal, and confirmed by Kartra, of course, they will arrive to the upsell page. The upsell page might contain a video and a button that says, yes, I want to upgrade, or yes, I want to take this one-time offer, which of course is the 2 premium weeks price at $200. Or they will have a link over here that say, no thanks, I don't want to check it. If they actually accept the order and buy, they will get, they hit this button, buy now. They will get, pop a checkout form in which they can buy the upsell offer, which is again these 2 premium weeks, and buy them at one-click confirmation because they already buy from us, so we have their details. And either they choose to buy this upsell or they don't. Of course, they will get this tag if they accept it. That will help us discriminate those who buy from those who buy the upsell at the same time. And they will be led to a thank you page, which will eventually trigger a post-sale sequence and a membership access email in which they will get the login credentials. Don't worry too much about this, because in the membership video, I'm going to show you how this works. And finally, they will get access to the membership site, which for your information is neither a page nor a product. So we need to configure that separately. That's why I created the membership video. So how our funnel translates into Kartra Asset? Well, in this case, after we know what we need to build, we will apply the PPMS method, which means start building the pages, then the product, then the membership site, and finally the sequence of emails. So we will need to build 6 pages, which is the opt-in page, the opt-in confirmation, the video sales page, the checkout page, the upsell page, and the order confirmation page. If you do not believe me, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. The form, of course, we are going to create it when we create the opt-in page. Of course, I'm going to show you how to create a form in the following video, so you don't have to worry about it right now. The product, of course, we know that we are offering a 6-week course for $1,500 and 2 premium weeks at $200, which is an upsell. We have 2 products over here. We will be selling this main product at $1,500, but we will also include a monthly payment option of 3 installments for $600, and the upsell will be a one-time payment of $200. We will also include one membership site, which I told you before is neither a product nor a page. And this membership site will contain two different access levels, of course, because if they only buy the main course, they will access to 6 weeks. If they buy the upsell, they will access to 8 weeks. Then we will build the 3 sequences of emails. In this case, we have the opt-in sequence, the cart abandonment sequence, and the post-sale sequences that equal to 3 sequences and 3 tags. So if you take a look again, we have the buyer tag, the cart abandonment tag, and the upsell tag that we will create it when we create the product. So don't worry too much if this doesn't fit the PPMS description. So how do we get to the point, from the point of feeling overwhelmed and struggling to create funnels, to the point of building funnels with confidence in Kartra? Well, knowing what you need to build, that is knowing beforehand how your funnel will look like, and then applying the PPMS method. So the first step actually is linking your domain to Kartra and then integrating your payment gateway. If you, of course, I will be providing you these slides linked so you can access. These are Google slides, so they are absolutely free and easily accessible for you. I'm giving you here 2 different links. These lead to Kartra pages that explain you the step-by-step to integrate your payment and link your domain. It's super easy. The first step you need to take into consideration is building your pages, then your products, then your membership, and then your sequences, and finally testing it. I'm not gonna create a testing video, but I will be giving away for free my personal testing checklist to those who wish to start the 14-day trial under my Kartra affiliate link. Of course, I'm gonna earn a small commission if you decide to opt in Kartra using my link, but it won't cost you a single dime extra. So again, I'm leaving you these slides so that you can access them and know and you have them as reference. But I will leave you this resource section. You will get this checklist with this Google Doc document. You can access it, and I will show you right away what this is about. Sorry, I'm gonna minimize this. I'm gonna hit F bottom. And this is the checklist that, of course, you can access by clicking this button over here. You will just explain you, it's like a reference for you to follow along this funnel that we are going to build together so that you don't feel lost and you have this visual reference. I'm also including in each link, in each section, in each video, the link to the corresponding video. In this case, if you hit over here, you will be driven to the YouTube link, video link associated to this video. The same for products, membership, and sequences. And I also include this list so that you know how we are, what you are building on each stage. Also here I'm including the image. Of course, you can access in the slides, and of course you can click over here and get my free training, which of course is accessible to you whenever you want. You can get the full training over here, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's hop into right again to the slides. And you can also, well, of course, here you have the 14-day trial with this my affiliate link. Again, as a disclaimer, this is not going to cost you any extra. I might earn a small commission if you choose to stay with Kartra at no additional cost with you. And I'm also giving you the option of booking a call with me in case you want to delegate your funnel creation process. But again, this is for business only. I'm not going to be taking calls with me for consultations. Just remember that you have the comment section below, and you can ask me whatever you want over there. So please don't book me. If you have a question or you don't know how to build something. Just leave me a comment below. So well, guys, this was all. I hope you really enjoyed this mini training. Also, the videos, every video I created contained table of content, so you can go directly to the point you are interested, so you don't have to watch the whole video. I really hope you find it useful. I hope you really like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also subscribe to this mini training by opting in my messenger chat box. I will leaving you the link below in the description below this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.